Good evening, parents. Welcome to the 2020-2021 virtual back to school night. My name is Mrs.EncisoBackToSchool2020, and I currently teach modern world history and U.S. government for sophomores and seniors here at Pleasant Valley High School. These are both college prep courses, and I do have some important information to share with you all tonight. You can see up on the screen my contact information. Really, my .net account is going to be the best way to contact me. We also have a .org account, so don't be confused. All teachers' emails are the first letter of their first name followed by their last name at chicousd.net. Please don't hesitate to contact me at any point in time. We also have our Zoom conference time between 8:30 and 11:30, where we're meeting with our students 3 periods a day for an hour each. And then our office hours are held from 12:30 to 2:30 daily. Office hours can be used to communicate with students one-on-one. Additional Zoom time can be arranged during my office hours as well. If your student needs any additional support, please don't hesitate to contact me to set up some additional Zoom time between those office hours. I also wanted to show or share with you all the layout of our Google Classroom. So if you look at our Google Classroom, the stream, this first tab at the top, is really where most announcements, anytime anything is posted, an announcement is automatically generated and posted to the stream. But the bulk of the information is going to be in the Classwork tab. So if you go to the Classwork tab and then scroll down to the bottom of the screen, you should see a topic titled Class Info. This is where your students can find all of the important information regarding our class, including the Zoom link, the school-wide schedule, Edgenuity login information, and the course syllabus. The next topic up is called assignments, and we really won't be posting any assignments here. We had one at the beginning of this school year as kind of an icebreaker, but our students will be completing all of their coursework via the Edgenuity platform. And then next we have our virtual classroom. This is where I will post agendas for days that we engage in Zoom activities. This includes talking about content, reviewing content, engaging in group or class discussions regarding the course curriculum. So there may or may not be something here on a daily or weekly basis. It just kind of depends on where we're at and how much support students need. At this point in time, a majority of my students have requested that we minimize our Zoom time so that they can utilize that Zoom time to complete their coursework in Edgenuity. So I'm going to try to honor that request and allow them to use as much of their Zoom time to complete that coursework. And then finally, we have at the top here supplemental materials. And this is a new topic that I recently created in an effort to provide additional resources to students who might be finding that there are some gaps in their learning from their coursework in Edgenuity. So what students will find here are just additional resources that pertain to the content that they're learning in Edgenuity. So they'll see videos, graphic organizers, Google slide presentations, Khan Academy lessons. These are all things that I would have used with my students in a normal school year. They are there for extra support. They are not required. They are completely optional. That's about all I have for you, parents. Thank you so much for your continued support. I look forward to having a great school year, and I am hopeful that we will get to meet in person sometime soon. Thank you and stay safe.